Okay, friends, I want to show you how to upload your work to Kami if you are taking handwritten notes or showing your work by writing it out by hand, and then you want to upload that handwritten work to Kami. Now, this is probably going to take you a couple of times practicing it before you get it really smoothly, and parents, you are probably going to need to help your kids with this because it's a couple of different steps, okay? Step one is take whatever work you've done. In this case, we're pretending like this is my work for the 3-act math task that we're going to do on Wednesday. So take whatever work you've done that you've written out, take a picture of your work with your phone or an iPad. Once you have taken a picture of your work, you're going to need to either upload it to your drive or email it to yourself. Let me say that again. Parents, this is probably where you're going to have to help your kids the first few times. You are either going to upload your work to your drive once you've taken a picture of it, or you're going to email it to yourself. On my iPad, which is really my mom's iPad because she's the tech guru of the family. She's 75 years old, loves technology, but has very kindly let me borrow her iPad for this adventure in virtual learning. I have already loaded my drive onto this iPad. So I was able to take a picture of my work with the iPad and then upload it to Drive fairly easily. So parents, that part I'm thinking you might need to help your kids with. If you're taking a picture of your work with a phone, it might be easier to then email it to yourself and then download it to your computer from your email or save it to your drive from your email. Although some of you may have Drive on your phones too. It really depends on, where you're at with things. Okay. Once you have the file that you want to upload on your computer, either in your drive or maybe you downloaded it to your computer, now it's time to upload it onto Kami for me to check and look at and give you feedback. So we're going to go to our Schoology math course. This is the assignment that we're going to do on Wednesday. It's called, it's a 3-act task, and it's meant to develop problem solving. This one, the theme is donuts. So the title of the activity is Krispy Kreme Me. We're going to click on this to open it up. And I'm going to click Open Assignment with Kami. Even though I have my work handwritten and I want Miss Lynn to grade my handwritten work, I still need to open the assignment with Kami. Now, think of this assignment that's opening up in Kami. Think of it as like a file folder, traditional paper, manila file folder. And inside the file folder, there's a blank sheet of paper that I can insert text boxes on and type. I can turn it into my teacher that way. Or I can upload some more sheets of paper to this file folder. In this case, my handwritten papers. I can upload these into my file folder and then submit the whole file folder with these sheets in it to my teacher. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. You're going to come up here to the open file icon, and it is predictably a picture of a file folder. Click on this. Now you need to choose where you have your work saved. Maybe you have it on your computer if you downloaded it from your email, or maybe it's in your drive. My work is in my drive, so I would click Google Drive. And then it's going to ask me, well, what do you want? You have a lot of documents in your Google Drive. So then I need to go to where I saved that work, and I saved it in this folder here. So I'm going to open this up, go to 3-act tasks, and then these are my, I wonder if I can do, it's 2 pages. So how will that work? Okay, well, I won't worry about that yet. I'm going to pick just the one that shows my work and my calculations to start with. I don't know about doing more than one image. I'm going to click select. And I'm going to say, yes, I want to convert it. And hopefully it's going to... Oh, it says remove. Hold on. Maybe it will work. Something went wrong. Okay, so it is here. I just had to make it smaller. And the way I make it smaller is I'm using my trackpad. And when I pull my fingers together or pinch my fingers together, it gets smaller, or at least it was. Now it's not for some reason. Or you can use this and do fit page, whichever you want. Okay, now, since I actually have 2 pages of work, I'm then going to click this little plus button down here. And I'm going to add a blank page. And the reason being is because since this is not really a file folder, I can't stack multiple pieces of paper in here and then be able to see them. I have to upload a separate page for my second page of work.